Hello everyone, in this video lesson I will show you how to do a mail merge in Microsoft Word 2007. The fastest and easiest way to generate a set of documents with identical information except for name, address, and greeting of a letter is to use mail merge. The mail merge process replaces placeholders called merge fields and replaces them with information from a structured document called a data source. The main document might be a letter, email message, envelope, set of labels, or a directory. The data source can be any document that contains sets called records of information in a predictable format, such as a Word table, Excel worksheet, Access database, or Outlook contact list. For this example, we'll get our data source from an Excel spreadsheet. Okay, I saved the data source on my Windows desktop. And let me open it up and show you. This is the information we're going to be grabbing and placing into our letter. Okay, so let me close this window out and let's open up Microsoft Word. I already have an example form letter already made, and basically what we are going to do is we are going to merge the data source from the Excel spreadsheet into this document, and is going to generate a couple of documents with the person's names, addresses, zip codes, and we're going to put a greeting line below all of that, like a Dear Bob or a Dear Susie or a Dear Bill, whatever. So to begin, go up to Mailings, the Mailings tab, which is already selected here, okay, and then come down to Start Mail Merge, okay, come down to Step-by-Step Mail Merge Wizard. Click that, and once you do that, this window appears on the right hand side for you. Okay, make sure letters is chosen and hit next on starting document. Okay, make sure use the current document is chosen and then click next on select recipients. Okay, once you do that, you'll get to this window. Make sure use an existing list is chosen, then come down and click on browse. We want to browse for our data source. Okay, so I saved the data source on my Windows desktop, so I click desktop. I scroll down and here it is, and I click. And once I do that, it will present to me this window for me to select the data source. The data source is in sheet 1. That's already selected. I click OK. Okay, once I do that, it presents this window for me to sort or remove certain people from my mail merge. If I wanted to remove Martin, I can uncheck Martin and Martin would not show up on the mail merge. Okay, but I'm going to leave it like this and I'm just going to hit OK. Okay, now once I do that, the document is now currently linked to the data source. Okay, so now I'm going to hit next on write your letter. Okay, so once I do that, now it shows me I have access to the data source. And now all I have to do is basically place my cursor where I want the information to be displayed in my document. I want the address and the names and the zip code to be placed here. So I'm going to place my cursor here, and I'm going to click on this address block. Okay, once I do that, it presents to me this window, and I can choose you know, how I want the names to be displayed. So for instance, if I choose to just have the first name displayed, I would choose Joshua. If I want to maybe have the first last name displayed. I choose that and so forth. Okay, let's choose this option right here, and let's click OK. Okay, now I have an address block, okay, with the address, the name, zip code, and what forth. Now I want to put a greeting line below this, so I'm going to click my cursor here, and I'm going to click greeting line. Okay, and again, I can format my greeting line. I could put dear, let's see, to, and what forth. I can, put different options here. Dear sir or madam, to whom, whatever. Okay, so I choose that option. I click OK, and now I have my greeting line. Okay, so now that's done. Let's put it here. Let's do this. Okay, so once that's done, that's basically it with that. All I have to preview my work, to preview what's happening, I just hit next on preview your letters. Okay. Oh, maybe this is right here. Okay. So now, if you come up here, it gives you a way where you can go previous and forward. And as I click on forward, look at how the names and addresses change from a different user. Okay, Linda Martin is now, okay, see? Okay, back. Okay, so basically, once everything is done and once everything is printed, you will have 6 different letters with different addresses, different greetings on it that will be mailed out to whomever. Okay. All right, so to complete the mail merge, I just click on complete the merge. I click next on complete the merge, and now I have some options to print the mail merge to my printer. I can print the documents to my printer, or I can click on edit individual letters. Okay, it will present to me this window. This window will give me an option to to exclude individual persons from my merge, but I'm just gonna click OK on all. Okay, so here we go. So now I have all 6 documents, for those 6 people that was in the Excel spreadsheet data source. Okay, so you see I have this name right here, and if I scroll here, the letter is showing this name here. They're Linda Martin, her address and what forth right here. So now I have it. All I have to do now is basically come here and go to save as, and then save it. My document, save it to my desktop. Okay, and now it's saved, and I could just come later on, open it up, print out the different letters, and then mail them out to my customers or whoever. Okay, and that's basically it, and that's basically how you do a mail merge in Microsoft Word 2007. Okay, so come back next time for more lessons, and I will see you. And don't forget to subscribe. Okay, have a great day. Bye-bye.